Hey guys, it's Schwabe from Routora, and welcome to the tutorial to show y'all how to import addresses into the Routora web app. So to get started, we're gonna go to the import option, and once you click on it, it will show this pop-up saying to upload an Excel or CSV file. So what we have, I just created some sample addresses to use in this Google Sheets. And then what I did was I went to File, Download, and I downloaded it as an Excel. You can also do a CSV if we want to, but I already got it downloaded. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply drag and drop. So take it from here, drop it in, and then you'll see it's loading, it's reading the sheet or the CSV. And it shows you the addresses in the order that it is in the sheet. And what you can do is you can actually go in here and you can select if you want certain addresses. You can go in and edit them, but I think I'm good with what I have, so I'm going to import all of these addresses into my route. And there you go. You can see the unoptimized stops here on this map, but let's go ahead and optimize it. And make sure you don't forget to add the start and end location. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's do some random address. Let's just go back to the same stop when we're done. And then we're gonna hit optimize, and boom, there you go. There is your optimized route. It shows you it on the map. It shows you all the stops in the order that is the most optimal. And from here, what you can do is you can go to share it to your phone. You can export it as a CSV or Excel, or you can just go ahead and start and see the route on your browser, and that's what I'm going to do. And boom, there you go. In Google Maps, it shows us the most optimal route, and we got this from just importing a spreadsheet directly into the Routora web app. So simple, easy, and hopefully this saves y'all a lot of time. See you in many more tutorials to come.